Hi, I'm Clara from Holy Heroes, and today I'm hopping on here to talk about two devotions that are very popular right now. You've probably heard of them. They are the 9 First Fridays and the 5 First Saturdays. So these devotions are wonderful for families or an entire parish to do together, and we have these handy pamphlets to help you know the steps to complete these devotions. So inside the 9 First Fridays pamphlets, you'll have the steps, the 12 promises of the Sacred Heart to folks who complete this devotion, and a little place for you to keep track of your 9 First Fridays. So you don't forget where you are or how many more you have to do. You can just fill them in right here. We have a similar one for the 5 First Saturdays. This tells you how to complete this devotion, where this comes from. We have some information about Our Lady of Fatima. And these pamphlets both come in 5 packs, so you can get one for your family and then give them out to some of your friends who might like to complete the devotion with you. Or talk to your parish priest or DRE and see if they would like to purchase these for the parish to put in the back of the church so that as a parish community, you can complete these two devotions. Now, we have a special additional resource for the 5 First Saturdays, and that is our 5 First Saturdays scorecard. This is a really fun thing that you can hang on your fridge, in your kids' room, wherever you would like to put it, to keep track of your 5 First Saturdays. It's great for kids because it comes with stickers that they can use to keep track of the steps they need to complete each first Saturday to complete the 5 First Saturday devotions. This is great for kids to keep them on track and for them to take ownership of the steps needed to complete this devotion. So this is our 5 First Saturdays scorecard. Now, one of the other steps for the 5 First Saturdays devotion is to go to confession. We have these handy confession packs that are great for kids. We have a lot of parishes that purchase these for their first communion class to help them prepare for their first confession. These packs have a little booklet, perfect reading level for kids, for them to learn about their first confession and what they need to do. It has a little prayer card with the steps to make a confession so they can carry it in and keep track of it, and it has an act of contrition on the back side of it. Then we have these handy tear-out confession sheets that walk children through an examination of conscience, a place for them to write down everything they would like to mention in confession, and then they can rip it up and throw it away after confession. So these are these confession packets. Another step for the 5 First Saturday devotion is to pray the rosary. So don't forget, we have our Holy Heroes audio scriptural rosaries, perfect for families, great for kids. All of these mysteries contain the scripture references for where the mystery comes from. So as you pray, you will hear the scripture for each mystery. We have these available on CD. We also have them available on MP3, and on MP3 you can pick to choose English or Spanish. So that's another great option. So don't forget to pray the rosary. We have these resources. We have so many more resources that are great for the rosary. We also have these resources for these devotions linked below. So make sure you check them out so that your family can begin completing these beautiful devotions. Thanks for watching.